Hi, I'm Kisch, and I'm out here doing some nature photography. That's what I like to do, and I'm stalking the elusive elephant tree trunk. And here's the elephant stump I'm going to try and shoot. Of the elephant. Okay, I'm done with the elephant shot. I'm going back. I shoot mostly, I shoot digital, all digital, and I conform mostly to the rules of the film photographers, where I don't like to add anything that wasn't there in the photograph. I don't cut and paste in Photoshop from different images. I correct for color and exposure and some burning and dodging, and that's about it. That's all I do. I find my subjects out here in the woods and work with what I've got.